Boris, cook something. But what do I cook? I guess it's not too late. Oh, look at the time! Shit, might as well. I have not cooked plov in 4 days already. Let's see. No, maybe later. I choose. Давай, let's go. Making plov very easy. Let me show you. Yes, Boris. Knife check. Appetite very much check. You see, the best plov comes when you make it when you're hungry. And also, the more hungry you are, the more you make. At plov o'clock, everything is allowed. You see, plov is the ideal dorm room student meal. Why? Because it only takes 1 pot to make. Блять, it's too big. As I was saying, no need for 3 pans and the whole stove. 1 pot, throw everything inside and it's done. It's like soap. But it's not. Once you have covered the pot with oil, choose the meat you would like. I prefer pork, of course. Cut into pieces, big size or small, is up to you. You can use chicken or beef, whatever you like. Oh, this knife is useless. So, what else we have? Let's try this one. This is for cutting bushes. Much better, man. Once you have cut up your meat, set the pot to boil. You do not need a lot of oil just to cover the bottom. Once the oil is hot, you can proceed to inserting the meat without splashing in your face. Because maybe, who knows, you want to be famous in future. Unless you want to be anonymous like me. In which case, go ahead, you can even wash your face with it. I mean, don't actually wash it. Move them around just a bit and go cut up some onion. Okay, you might know plov to be made with tomato paste. But here, on this channel, you can forget it. It is plov o'clock. This is govnik plov. Not some high level master chef stuff. Well, actually, it is pretty high level because the shit they make there is fucking ridiculous. You see, the circles in onion tell a very good story. It is like 3. More circles mean better taste. And when you cut up these circles, make sure you do not make small piece. You see, this is enough. When the meat has achieved brown color, it is time to put in the extras. So remember, bigger piece mean more flavor. Chef, return just a bit and get ready to cut up the carrot. La 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 la. 1 carrot into 2. I see people have been complaining in comments about the fact that they do not add the exact ingredients in the video description, even though I said it I will. But for me, when I'm uploading and finished editing the video, it seems to me pretty fucking obvious what is going inside. Блять, because shit knife. Oh, опа. So, блин, what is this saying? Ah yes, once I edit the video, then it seems very obvious what I'm putting inside. And I forget to put it in the description. Even if I said it while cooking. Not take your grater and boom! Throw it away, we not need. If you have, take your peeler and boom! It's garbage. Instead, slap precision. You not need peel, you need quarter log. You will understand why very soon. Once you have finished cutting up the carrot, the onion inside should be very soft. And that is the time when you know that you have to put in the carrot. The sticks of carrot need to be thick enough so that it would withstand a whole hour of cooking without turning completely liquid. Ah yes, my favorite part, the garlic. Clean this up as much as you can, because it go inside very soon. In about 5 seconds. It's in time to cut salt and about, let's say, 300 grams of rice. It is highly suggested that you wash the rice before using, not that the rice is dirty. Or it might be, I don't know where you get it from, but thoroughly washing it before cooking and rinsing it twice will give a very nice texture, trust me. Boom! Rice bath complete. Now take some salt, put it inside. If you ask how much, it's up to you. And now we throw in some water, just enough so the things start floating. Okay, that is good looking plov. Now throwing garlic for extra flavor. And now let it wait inside, squatting like a gopnik, waiting for payday at start of month. Now let it boil for about 10 minutes, until the water level has dropped back to normal. Ah, I see the flavor inside already. This part pretty much done when it no longer looks like soup. And for this procedure we need pickled garlic. Very precise science this. Now you take the rice and sprinkle it in. Well, don't sprinkle, but just don't throw it inside. You need to make this steady surface of rice, but without mixing. You see, now you're no longer allowed to mix, because now it's no longer boiling, but it's the steaming process. Once you have added all the rice, lower the heat to very small and spread out the rice in the pot. Take some water and start pouring it in. Add it in slowly so you do not mix the top and bottom half of pot. Add so much that there is about 2 cm of water on top of rice. Pay attention not to mix. And now, on lower setting, let it sit until water is gone. I suggest you mix it around in this time just a bit, but only top layer, not bottom. If you see meat, you have gone too far. Aha, water is gone. Time for garlic. Suka, it's hot. Push inside like this, yes, very nice. Now is beginning, my favorite part is the slow steam. And for this you need stick for making hole. You see? Water is down below, looking very nice. Now I suggest you take towel. Or you can just use lid as well. Just do not close completely, like this for example. But if you're not debil and you want to do it the right way, put towel and then lid, you see? And now let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then we see if it has burned down or not. So you can take this time to come up with good excuse to your roommate. Why the kitchen is filthy again. Because it's his time to clean anyway, lazy debil. Aha! Not burned down yet. Now shuffle around the layers of rice like this. Add some more water if you think you need. And boom! 3 holes once again. And that should be the last step. Enough for solid 20 minutes of steaming. Good night. Опа, мам! Ah, smells nice. Have a small taste of rice for verification. Oh, okay. It is ready. And now, finally, you can mix everything together. If done correctly, the rice will not even need extra flavor, and your cooking skill will have been raised by 1. Congratulations, you have just made food. Of course, we cannot have plov without mayonnaise and some parsley on top for decorative purpose. Who knows, maybe you have guests in dorm room. Plov is traditionally made in very large pot for about 100 people at once, but this will feed about 3 people, or just 1 if your name is Boris. Блин, it is cool. Thank you for watching. The ingredients are in the description this time. Good luck making this at home and enjoy. I will see you next time. Stay cheeky-breaky.